Hello students, today I'll be explaining you the third problem under fire insurance claim. The first problem and second problem was the insurance wherein you have to calculate the how much amount they can claim from the insurance company, where the gross profit rate is given, it is on sales, and first problem was on sales and next was on cost. Today I'll be dealing with one more problem under fire insurance claim. I'll read out the problem, understand the problem, then we will go for the solution. See, a fire occurred on 31st August 2017 in the warehouse of Mr. Nirmal Kumar. All the stocks were destroyed except to the extent of rupees 6,200. This is the amount of stock saved. Okay, saved is 6,200. Except means all have destroyed, only so much of stock remaining which was saved. That is 6,200. From the following information, ascertain the loss suffered by the company. Now you have to ascertain how much loss they have incurred. The other information is 2016. See, it has occurred in 2017. They have given you the information of last year, that is 2016. Purchases of the last year, sales of the last year, stock of the last year, then purchases less returns during 2000 of current year, sales of the current year. So these informations are given in the problem, that is opening stock, purchases, sales of last year. This 4 information is of last year, the 2 information is of current year. As you know, there are 3 steps to calculate insurance claim. The first step is trading account, the second step is memorandum trading account, and the third one is loss of stock by fire claim. Now here I have told you in the beginning itself, in the problem, if in the problem gross profit rate or gross profit amount is given in the problem, at that time you need not open the trading account. Okay, so when the gross profit rate or gross profit amount is not given, in that case you have to open the trading account. Okay, first step, that is trading account of the last year, then we have to go by step. Now we will check in this problem whether the rate of gross profit or amount of gross profit is given in the problem. So if you read the problem, they have given you only the stock, they have given you the opening stock, purchases, sales, everything, but they have not given the gross profit. What is the gross profit? What is the rate of gross profit, and what is the amount of gross profit is not given in the problem. So what we will do is we will prepare the first step, that is a trading account. So I will go for the solution. Here a trading account for the year on 1/1/2016 to 31/12/2016. This is a trading account. Now what you have to do is, trading account as usual, we are in the debit side we will write opening stock, purchases, sales, closing stock, gross profit. Now here we have to write the information from 1st January 2016 to 31/12/2016. Okay, so we will go for the problem and check what are the last year information. We have opening stock, we have purchases, we have sales, we have closing stock also of the last year. So we will write all the information: opening stock, purchases, gross profit is not given, by sales, then a closing the stock. These information is given. Now only one information missing is gross profit. So the difference what you get in the debit side is called as gross profit. So if you total these two, you will get to 2,22,500. Deduct opening stock and purchases, you will get the gross profit which is 46,500. 46,500 is the gross profit. Okay, that is a balancing figure. Now once you get the gross profit, you have to calculate the rate of gross profit. You have to calculate the rate of gross profit. What is the rate of gross profit? Now the formula to calculate the rate of gross profit is gross profit divided by sales into 100. Gross profit divided by sales into 100. So what is the gross profit? 46,500. 500 divided by 2 lakh into 100. So you will get the amount that is 23.25%. Okay. Now now what we have to do is, now we have to go for the second step, that is once you get 23.25, it is on a sales. So I have applied here so 23.25% of gross rate you will get. Once you get the rate, you have to move for the second step, that is the preparation of memorandum trading account. So memorandum trading account for the year 2017 till August 2017. So opening stock. Now opening stock will be the closing stock of last year. So last year's closing stock is stock on 31/12/2016. This is the last year. In the last year, what is the closing stock? The closing stock is 22,500. So this becomes the opening stock 22,500. Then the purchases. What is the purchases due in the current year? That is 1,46,000. Then gross profit. Gross profit you can write. Gross profit it can be calculated because you know the rate which you have calculated 23.25, which will be on a sales. So sales, it is given here the sales of this year. Sales of this year is 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 into 23.25 divided by 100, you will get 37,200. Once you get the rate, it has to be calculated on sales. So here it is 1,60,000 into 23.25 divided by 100, it is 37,200. It is the gross profit. Now find out the total and find out the difference. The total of the debit side will be more, 2,05,700, and the credit side it will be 1,60,000 deduct, you will get 45,700. Now the difference what you will get. Now what you have to do is, you have to prepare the statement and find out the insurance claim. Closing stock on the date of fire 45,700 less stock salvage or insurance claim. Stock salvage. Stock salvage is a stock saved. See, in the beginning itself is given 6,200. So you will write 6,200 less deduct it, you will get 39,500. This is a normal step which we have followed for the last two problems. Okay. Closing stock of the closing stock, what you get 45,700. Less stock saved and the difference insurance claim. Okay. Now these are the steps to be followed. The difference here in the last few problems and this problem is, in this problem the rate of gross profit is not given. When the rate of gross profit or the amount of gross profit is not given, in that case you have to prepare the trading account of the last year, find out the rate of gross profit, then apply that rate of gross profit to the current year's sales, you will get gross profit, then calculate the insurance claim. Okay. So here the last step doesn't, only two steps comes here, trading account and memorandum trading account and the working note. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding that, you can contact me, or you can message me personally to know if you have any doubts relating to the amount or methods or entries, etc. Okay. Thank you.